Hello and welcome back to the ProCycle YouTube channel. I'm Tom and today we're going to be continuing along with our XR650L build. Today we will remove this cruiser style headlight that came equipped on the bike when we got it. We're going to be bringing it back to factory with factory cowling, but we're going to be upgrading the headlight to a JNS Morimoto LED headlight. Alright, so OE cowling, proven right there by that Honda sticker. That's where most of the cost comes from. We are going with the white theme. In case you're wondering, yeah, OE cowling does come with the sticker and then the little inserts there to mount it to the headlight frame. Morimoto from JNS. Cool little sticker. Some general instructions. And for those of you that don't know or unfamiliar with Morimoto, they're actually one of the automotive leaders in LED lighting. Look at that. Plug and play, some good heat sinks on the back. Definitely high quality, you can feel it there compared to the regular JNS headlights. Today we've got Rob helping us remove and install the new headlight. Now Rob's got to remove the speedo cable and the acorn nuts holding the speedometer housing onto the upper triple clamp so that we can get the headlight mounting bracket in place. Make sure if you're putting this back to get it behind the wires. Make sure that speedo cable is nice and snug. Ours was pretty loose. Last thing you want is that backing out while you're riding. And then tighten those down with a 10mm socket. So now what we're trying to do is there's a little bracket that's part of this here. It's got these openings where you have to separate the connectors, run the connector through, and then snap it in. And it's got a little groove where that clip portion, the connector portion, feeds through. Now remounting the horn with a 12mm socket. Reconnect your headlight. Pretty simple. Drop a bolt. Drop both bolts. And so here we don't have to tighten these bolts all the way down. What you want to do is find yourself a wall, park about 20-30 feet away from it, measure the distance from the center of the headlight down to the ground, and then go up to your wall, mark a line on the wall that same height, and you want to try to get your headlight beam up to that level. About 20-30 feet away is where you'll need to be at. Probably why he swapped to that. He's probably tired of it being like floppy, floppy, floppy. Now Rob's going to install the new headlight cowling. Alright, that's a wrap installing the new OE headlight cowling from Honda on there and the JNS Morimoto LED headlight. So we got it in low beam right now. High beam. Finding Rob behind the camera. Sorry, Rob. We like it. We think it's a good quality headlight. If you're looking for probably, you know, the best OE replacement style headlight assembly that you can get for your bike, this is going to be it right here.